minamahal nyo na ba ang isa't isa?
Napapanood, hindi lang ako, pero napapanood ng lahat ng supporters namin na pinapagura namin ngayon ni Andres. And binibigay talaga namin lahat ng puso namin, lahat para mapaganda, maparamdam sa kanila yung project.
Yeah, super excited kami talaga because first movie namin ito and we're both together in this movie. And overall, just really excited talaga kasi makikita nyo naman how nice the story flows really, and Direct JPL wrote such a beautiful story. Kaya we're excited to show all of you guys.
So what was your first reaction nung mabasa niyo yung script?
Ako, after ko, ang bilis ko lang mabasa ng script, siguro yung buong movie nabasa ko siya like within 30 minutes. Tapos after ko mabasa, tinext ko agad si Direk. Sabi ko, Direk, grabe, sobrang ganda, sobrang relatable, and sobrang real-life relationship situation talaga siya.
Yun nga, when I read the script for the first time, talagang I couldn't put it down. Kasi ang ganda ng story, ang ganda ng flow. Kahit yung mga eksena, paano nagsistitch, it just really flows very nice. And I think very relatable din for anyone really, all the viewers na can enjoy. Kasi lahat kami naka-experience ng love, di ba? And I think that's the whole point and the whole soul of this film is the relatable love that we've all experienced when we're younger or even when we're older.
Ay, super successful ng Mucha. Medyo pressured ba kayo na be as successful ng Mucha?
Ako, hindi ako ganun pressured kasi mas nandun ako sa gusto ko ibigay yung best ko. Gusto ko wala akong pagsisisihan na dapat pala ganito yung ginawa ko, dapat ganito yung ginawa ko. Tapos mas nag-pray na lang ako na kung ano man yung mangyari, yun yung will ni Lord.
Yes, ako naman, yes, may pressure naman ng konti, pero ako, mas talagang excited ako kasi first to diba? And syempre may pressure yan talaga dahil first. But overall, mas na-enjoy ko yung buong proseso kasi talaga. From day one to already nearing the end, just been enjoying the process talaga. It's first film, so I'm gonna always cherish everything from when it started.
Of course, ito tanong ng bayan. Kagaya ng mga actors na ginagampanan niyo, may chance pa na maging totohanan na ang Ashless. Yan.
Tignan natin yan. Kasi yung mga ganyan, hindi minamadali. Mas maganda kapag nag-isipan, nag-pray.
And only the future knows, only destiny knows.
Bakit dapat panoorin ng minamahal?
Dapat yung panoorin yung minamahal kasi may matututunan kayong lesson dito. It's okay to love, but don't forget to love.
Yes, tama yung sinabi ni Ash na the biggest thing about it is okay to love, but don't forget about yourself. At also then yung journey ng love na we've all experienced, the highs and the lows, the ups and the downs, that everyone can relate to.
Last na, invite nyo na, sino yung makasama niyo sa movie?
Supporting us. Really, of course, this is our job, but we do it for all of you guys. Really, we want to put out stuff for you that you can enjoy, really, and we just want to work and give our best for you all.
Thank you. And for Andres, nabanggit
Excuse me, can I add something lang, related lang doon? I'm actually surprised na sa level of tiredness na meron sila sa sunod-sunod nilang ganap. I actually appreciate them so much na hindi mo sila makikitaan ng attitude sa set or alam yung wala sa mood. So, sana i-keep nyo yan kapag mas lalo kayo sumikat kasi that's one of your strengths.
And Andres, kanina na-mention your showbiz royalty, diba? Pero you have started to prove yourself and make a name for yourself. How does that feel? And nasaan yung parents mo rin dito sa nangyayari sa'yo?
You know, my parents are definitely very proud of everything that's going on, not only for me, but for my sister and as well as Ash. But ako talaga, I would have never expected any of this to really happen, you know. I just wanted to do a good job. I wanted to improve and get better. And I guess now we're here and there's still a lot more talaga to learn and a lot more people to meet in industry, and overall, like, I'm just really grateful talaga.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Kate.
Thank
There
you
we
po.
have it. All right. Next up, we have from our Rider PH Studios. Let's have Jojo Panaligan.
Thank you.
Hello po.
Hi. Kay Ashton and Andres, kanina sabi niyo, anything is possible, even falling for each other. No? Anong physical trait and personality of the other that makes him or her boyfriend or girlfriend material? Like Ashton, when you look at Andres, anong physical trait niya at sa personality niya na naisip mo, uy, boyfriend material nga pala si Andres, ano?
Siguro po yung thoughtfulness niya. Kasi parang ang laking bagay nung may mga, yung hindi mo na kailangan sabihin bago pa niya ibigay. Hindi mo kailangan hingin, bibigay niya.
Like?
Yung physical.
Physical. Parang lahat naman po. Hindi kasi, pero bukod sa physical niya, nakakagwapo po talaga sa kanya kasi yung puso niya eh. Yun talaga.
Ako din, I'll say the same thing. Yung attitude ni Ash at yung ugali niya, nakikita ko kasi we've been already working together for how many months already, and a physical trait that I love about Ash talaga is her eyes and her smile. Kasi when we're laughing minsan, talagang minsan, aminin ko, talagang tumitingin ako sa mata niya like, so nagkakangiti din minsan, so yun.
Tingin ka nga, Andres, tingin ka nga kay Ash.
Personality-wise, nasagot.
Personality-wise, yes. Yung ugali ni Ash, you know, ang napansin ko sa kanya, wala siyang kaarte-arte ng kahit ano. Like usually, I've met people in my life that are medyo mareklamo, you know, about the small things. But the thing I really appreciate about Ash is, kahit whatever you put in front of her, she doesn't complain talaga. And she just does her job and does it with the best effort that she can. And that's what I also really appreciate about her. Even kapag nahihirapan ako sa mga eksena, hindi siya nagagalit sa akin, hindi siya na ano to. She doesn't stress me out. She always makes me feel like, oh, kaya natin to, kaya natin to. So, yun. Yun ang my favorite traits.
Yung last question ko, kanina din sinabi ni Direct Jason na superstars in the making kayo, no? And I think that involves destiny. Kayo ba naniniwala kayo sa destiny when it comes to life and love? And destiny nyo na maging love team?
Ako before hindi, pero parang ngayon, opo. Kasi kung iisipin ko yung mga nangyari, parang na-amaze talaga ako na, wow, ang galing na andito kami ngayon. Tapos, like, wala talaga ako ina-expect na kahit ano. Pero ngayon na nandito ako, kasama ko siya, kasama ko sila direct, parang opo.
Ako naman, destiny, I really do believe in destiny in life. I think that if certain things in life are meant for you talaga, they're meant for you and they're bound to happen. Of course, without expectations, you know, we shouldn't always expect things because, you know, if it doesn't happen, then you get sad. But ako naman, I truly believe in destiny. I think that if it's meant for you, it's meant for you. It's given by God. And kasi parang ganito yan. If it's really meant for you, and if it's given by God, it comes easily, right? Kasi minsan, pag pinipilit mo at hindi meant para sa'yo, mas nahihirapan ka. But the nice thing about it is, I really believe that things happen for a reason, and destiny is a big factor in that, and it's what God can give to you. And if He gives it to you naman, you just have to learn to accept it and go with it, and that's what I think destiny is.
Congrats guys, I'm sure this will be huge.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
There we go, mic drop from Andres Mulak. Grabe naman yung words of wisdom ng kaibigan ko. Alright, and next we have from Manila Standard, let's call in Miki Iwan.
First of all, congratulations, Direk, and over here.
Hello po.
sabi ni Direk kanina, even sa parang liblib na lugar or sa remote places, naririnig niya yung kung paano yung reception ng tao sa inyo. And of course, not just here in the Philippines but also abroad, you are building a fan base. And how does it feel that there are people of different ages resonate with you, with your talent, and with your love team? Kay Ashley na tayo.
Ako, sobrang super grateful po ako kasi yun nga po, tulad po na sabi niyo kanina, iba-ibang edad yung mga sumusuporta po sa amin. And sobrang hindi ako makapaniwala na minsan mga bata yung lalapit sa amin, minsan teenagers, tapos minsan yung mga magagandang tito, tita, ayan. Kaya sobrang nakakatuwa po kasi minsan iniisip ko, bakit kaya nila kami minamahal ng ganito, na bakit kaya nila kami tanggap ng buong buo. And sobrang nakakatuwa lang po talaga isipin na parang ang dami ko biglang mommies kasi kahit mga big or small wins ko po talaga, sabi ni Andres, nandun po sila and sobrang happy nila. And ang pinaka nakakatuwa po doon, pag mga nababasa ko, pinagpe-pray po nila kami. Parang yun yung sobrang na-touch ako doon na pinagpe-pray talaga nila kami. Kaya, thank you po.
Yes, yun nga. The support talaga, it's been unreal. Di namin na-expect talaga. And to everyone that has supported us of all ages, it's eye-opening din kasi parang na-realize ko na, oh, okay, like different age groups appreciate us and enjoy us and are fans of us. And kahit yung mga edits na nakikita ko and yung mga comments, the few comments that I've seen and read, it really nakakatuwa talaga because I would have never expected that it would get to this point, really. And I'm just really overall thankful for all of them.
And also, it's so nice that we really appreciate each other as on-screen partner. I'd like to ask you, I'd just like to piggyback on the title of the film, Isang Daang Bulaklak para kay Luna. Andres, if you were to give a kind of flower to Ashley, what kind of flower is it and why?
White rose. Bigay mo lang kanina.
I think I said it before, but I would give Ash, like I just gave her kanina, white rose talaga. Because for me, I think a white rose is the most beautiful flower talaga. It symbolizes...
Ito yun, Andres.
Ito yun.
Okay, talaga ni Andres to kay Ashley na hindi siya part ng props. So. 100 ba to?
Direk, wala sa script yun eh.
100? Hindi 100, okay. Pero, yeah. I would say white rose talaga. Kasi for me, a white rose has so much more meaning to it than just like, halimbawa, a red rose, it symbolizes like love and all. But I think the nice thing about a white rose is it's deeper than love. It also shows like purity and all. So I would say white rose.
Sorry, may memo lang ako natanggap. 100 daw yan, sabi ng Vino Films family natin.
Mukha naman.
Yeah, Andres made sure.
Tapos dead destiny pa kasi white rose papaya.
Thank you. Siguro direct bonus question na lang. Why do you think the characters in this film really fit both Andres and Ashley?
Well, kung alam yung backstory nitong project nito, nauna ko siyang na-conceptualize na wala pa talagang actors in mind. Pero, nung pinitch ko siya sa Viva, si Andres na yung pinapropose ko doon. Hindi pa siya nag-aartista talaga doon. Tapos, hindi binigay sa akin ng Viva kasi parang in the middle of going through workshops. Kumbaga parang pinapahinog pa nila si Andres. Tapos, so for about 2 or 3 years, nakashelve lang yung project. And then, nung finally, nagkaroon na sila ng, kasagsagan ng mutya ng Section E. Ni-revive namin yung project. Tapos, ganoon din, nagustuhan ng dad niya. Diba? Tapos, hinahanapan din ng Viva ng project yung Ash Dress kasi, yun nga, sensational sila eh, yung reception ng mga tao sa kanila. So, bagay sa kanila kasi parang ang lapit sa personality nyo. Kasi si Andres, na nakikita ko, parang, hindi naman siya introvert, pero alam mo yun, hindi siya yung parang jock tayo na lalaki. Goofy siya on set, lagi siya nagme-make faces sa camera at binibidyohan ko yun, i-release ko yun one day. Tapos si Ashley naman, she always struck me as someone na, alam mo yun, yung parang resilient, strong woman. Tapos ipapartner mo pa dun sa acting ability nila, parang sa ganun mo nakakita na bumangit talaga sa kanilang character. Aside from bagay sa real personalities nila, you really know their craft. Napakita ba natin sa mga tao na gano'n talaga sila, workshops talaga sila na intensive under Sir J. Cruz for, 7 days, 5 days? Mga gano'n, 8 days to really prepare for the role. Yun. So, gaya na sabi ko, mixture of bagay sa match dun sa real personalities nila in real life at saka dun sa intense love nila for the craft.
And also, it must be destiny.
And if I may add as well na the first time na nakuha ko yung script, nung binasa ko talaga, from the very first page, I could not put it down talaga. Kasi parang na-imagine ko yung sarili ko sa mga lines ni Rafi at nakakita ko din yung pagkasalita ni Luna kay Ash din minsan. And parang habang binabasa ko, mas lumalabas na yung emotions ko habang binabasa ko yung script for the first time. Kaya I knew at that time na, wow, ang galing ni Direk mag-write, and I had a feeling na, okay, ito yun, like this is the right project.
Thank you and congrats. Good luck with the film.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much. All right, next up, we have from Anong Ganap. Let's have Sir Erwin Agawa.
Hello guys! Okay, congrats sa movie nyo. Okay, so, since nagkasama na kayo sa Mutya, so, kamusta naman yung first day of shooting nyo for Minamahal? Konting kwento. Kinabahan pa ba kayo or first day? Any memorable?
Siguro mas more kinakabahan para sa pagkapa ko sa character kasi nangangapa pa ako sa character eh. Pero with Andres, parang sa kanya ako nakakuha ng assurance na kaya mo yan. Yun, sa kanya ako nakuha yun.
Assurance, sinabi ko.
Yes.
Yes.
So, the first few days ng shooting namin was not easy, pero nag-enjoy kami talaga. Yung mga first few sequences were, di ba direct medyo mga mabigat na eksena? Mabigat.
Inuna namin.
Yung mga first 5 days ng shoot, it was all mga mabigat na eksena. So, syempre, kinabahan kami. But overall, since we enjoy what we're doing and we enjoy the craft of acting, we were able to get it done and do a good job, I hope.
And last question, paano kayo nakarelate sa mga characters nyo sa film? Paano kayo nakarelate? Ano medyo pareho sa mga characters in real life?
So tingin ko kasi si Rafi, he's a very shy person. I don't want to say din na he's introverted. Parang ako dati nung nasa high school ako, I was not super extroverted. I was medyo shy, tahimik lang talaga. Tapos parang, I don't want to spoil it. But yun nga, parang nung high school ako, I was a little bit shy, and as I started to work here in the industry, I started to learn more about myself and I guess bloom to who I am today. Bloom, flower, reference. And yun, I think it's very similar, I think it was very similar yung character ko ni Andres kay Rafi, at least in the idea na how nice he is and how thoughtful Rafi is. I think it applies to me as well.
And Ash?
Po, siguro sa akin, parehas kami na alam kung hanggang saan or kung hanggang kailan lang dapat yung mga bagay-bagay. Yung parang hindi namin pinipilit kung ano yung hindi para sa amin.
Thank you. Best of luck.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
There we go. All right. Last on the list, we have from Pika Pika and Abante, Miss Ana Pingon.
Hi, hello.
Hello po.
Hello.
Marami na kaming nakitang love teams sa pagko-coverage namin sa showbiz. Ang kalaban usually, lalo na pagsikat, burnout. Paano nyo kaya malalabanan yun?
Pagod, yung burnout. Ako naman,
Sawa.
ano kaya? Burnout, di ko pa masabi. Kasi I'm very new din. So, right now, habang may energy pa ako, habang bata pa ako, I'm trying to really make the most. And I'm sure also Ash, diba? But, yeah, go.
Pero siguro kung darating man po yung panahon na yun, siguro isipin namin kung bakit kami nagsimula, kung bakit namin gusto yung ginagawa namin. Kasi darating talaga yun parang minsan mapapagod ka, isipin mo kung tuloy ko pa ba to, ganyan. Pero kung aalalahanin mo kung bakit mo gusto itong ginagawa mo, parang mababago yung mood mo, mababago parang ma-revive yung eagerness mo gawin ulit yung trabaho mo. Yun po.
Next question.
Add ko lang po, it helps din siguro, although it helps din siguro na they really like each other's company. So parang nade-lift up nila each other in spite of the stress. Diba? It helps kasi pag ganun, diba? So imagine mo na lang, halimbawa, hindi nila gusto yung isa't isa, tapos nandito sila sa ganitong trabaho. Talaga mag-a-attitude sila. Pero yun, I think it's, aminin nyo, nakakabawas ng stress. You like being in each other's company because you support each other.
Yun nga, if I may add na parang, when I'm with Ash, halimbawa kapag nasa-stress ako sa mga eksena or mga trabaho namin, mas na-feel ko na, okay, kasama ko si Ash, so I can always, work with her and there's that dynamic. Or minsan kapag nasa-stress si Ash, tinutulong ko din siya in those times. And it's a team effort. We help each other,
Okay. Next question. In some level, minamahal nyo na ba ang isa't isa?
Pakinggan mo.
The last question.
Ako muna? I ko talaga, like, there is love talaga. Because we have this bond, the amount of time that we've worked with each other and everything. We're really, really, really good friends. And there is that bond. And syempre naman, because she's my friend, there is that love, and I really appreciate Ashtin for who she is. And definitely, I would say that she's helped me so much in my journey because kahit bago pa ako, she makes it easier for me to work in some of these sequences, and yun, ikaw.
Ako, sa'yo po, syempre, my love din. Kahit sino na. Hindi, syempre, love namin si Direk, love namin. Totoo yun, kasi mas makakapag-work kayo ng maayos if love niyo yung isa't isa. And sobrang thankful talaga ako na ang kasama ko ngayon ay si Andres. Kasi sobrang mas magaan talaga, tulad mo na sabi ni Direk, mas magaan magtrabaho kapag trust mo or comfortable ka sa partner mo.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
There we go, and I think that wraps up our Q&A session. Palakpakan naman natin lahat, pero I'd like to add lang, di ba kanina tinatanong nila, bakit sa tingin niyo minamahal din mo